Hi there, I'm Justin, and today I am trying to bring this beautiful little tree back. It smells like it's rotten. I don't know much about planting, but I know a little bit about what I've read, and this is not a good thing. And also, I got to clean up. This is working on the farm today, and I got to clean up a possum that died in my barn last night. So, needless to say, today is going to be a good day. In a good way, good positive way. I'm going to try to bring this back, dip it in some clone stuff. Maybe it'll bring the roots back, I'm thinking. I don't know if anybody agrees with me on that. And I think I got something in the trap. Let's see what it is. Oh, shit. A dead possum. So they just die in my trap. I don't get them quick enough and they just die. That's crazy. So I got two possums. I got one there and one in the barn. This is fucking nuts. Pardon my language. It's freaking nuts. Two possums in one day, man. What the heck? That's kind of crazy. Now I got to pull this other one out of the barn. Let's deal with the plant later. Let's focus on that possum, wherever he is. I couldn't see it, but I think I see it. You know what I'm saying? So, it's life on a farm. What a morning. So, here we go. Now we're back to here. This is the end. Bum, bum, bum. The only end. Something like that.